Hi guys, welcome to the Ameristar Hotel and Casino in Kansas City, Missouri. This was our first time ever coming here. We were really impressed. As you can see, there is the check-in desk, which we didn't have a long wait at all. The lobby area is quite spacious, if you have to sit down and take a break. Here is a showing of all the Boyd's properties. There's quite a few. Okay, let's go check out the room. Our first time there, we just stayed in a regular basic comped room. But stick around, you will see the junior mini suite coming up after that. Hey guys, Gamblin Granny and Dice here.
Hey guys.
We are at the Ameristar Hotel and Casino in Kansas City, Missouri. This is our first time here, and we're going to give you a little room tour, just basically like what we've shown you before. So as you come in, the front door, or your room door, then you come straight into the bathroom. The bathroom comes with your hair dryer, and your towels, and your shampoo, all your goodies, tissues. It's kind of a small bathroom, but it's fine. Got your little makeup mirror here. And then this is kind of different. In here is your shower and your potty. It'll serve the purpose.
It's kind of tucked away on its own, I guess.
Yeah, something a little bit different. And then you have your standard closet that has your hangers and the ironing board, all of that in there.
Is there a safe in there?
Not here. Then you have, this is a king size, it's a king size bed, and it's just your small, typical comped room. We are comped for 2 nights, so for 2 nights comped on a weekend, hey, we'll take it. Each nightstand, everybody wants to know about the plug-ins. They have one on each one, and then your regular plug-in. There's one on each nightstand. Got some nice pictures on the wall too. We got it fixed up really nice. And then they got your luggage rack and your drawers. Drawers look nice and clean. And then here's your safe. There's your safe right there. And then down below, a fridge.
Nice.
We love the fridge.
Gotta have a fridge. Got beverages.
And it's got some stuff in there. It's got some goodies. So you gotta have the fridge. Okay, chair, little table. Over here is your workstation. They do have a coffee maker.
Nice nowadays.
Well, yeah, and I think this is the first one I've seen with a coffee maker for about a year. And so you got a nice little workstation here.
What kind of view we got?
Oh, it's just a beautiful view.
Let's check it out.
Check it out. We don't get too many of these beautiful views.
that's just a brick wall.
We don't have a view. There's a tree, and there looks like maybe some flowers coming up down there.
And check out this view at night. I don't know if we'll show a night view.
But that is our view. And it's a nice clean room.
Smells clean.
It's a very clean room. Okay guys, we just discovered this. This is a neat little feature, and it has the reading lights. You can angle it down, or for whatever other needs you need that for. nightlight, possibly. One on each side.
Cool.
Yeah, pretty cool. Okay guys, we found another little feature that's pretty cool. I'm going to shut the light off and watch behind the bed. See how the little light comes on? It's this little touch button right here. And I got investigating because I wondered what that was, and it's for this little night light back here, and it dims. You can dim it too. Oh, come on. You gotta hold your thumb there. There. Isn't that cool? I've never seen that before.
I thought it was one of those vibrating bed buttons.
Like what 2 Cent thought she had in her and Hog's room too.
Still very neat.
So anyway, just another cool little
sexy mood lighting.
Another cool little feature that we found. So this is your standard room. We are at the Ameristar Hotel and Casino in Kansas City, Missouri.
Very nice.
Thanks for watching. The Ameristar Casino Hotel, Kansas City, is a luxury hotel that has 184 guest rooms. With 3,000 slot and video poker machines and 60 table games, this Kansas City casino is one of the biggest in the country. That is according to TripAdvisor. After exciting gaming action, you may choose from the 9 appetizing dining options at this Kansas City hotel. They have anywhere from fast food to fine dining. When things are running normal, this train car and station is a restaurant and a bar. It's pretty cool. Hi guys, welcome to our room at the Ameristar in Kansas City, Missouri. They gave us a mini suite this trip, and this is a pretty nice little room. We really liked it. So here's our tour. Okay, well right here is your closet. As you come in, it's a nice closet and the light will turn on. Ironing board and your iron. Nice room. Hang all kinds of stuff in there. And then there's a little makeup area right here too. That's pretty sweet. And this bathroom I like it. It has your stool. Oops. And here's your shower. Water pressure was great too. We've been here a couple of nights, and really, it was really nice. Dual sinks, one on each side, his and hers. So that was nice too. Does have a hair dryer, your shampoos and lotions and stuff. And there's your stool. All right, then come on out here.
I like the separate pooping door you have for that room.
It is nice. That way you can keep yourself confined in there. Okay, we got a king bed, non-smoking. The bed was great. Very, very comfortable. And nightstands. Okay, a plus. They have all kinds of charging stations. I mean, all kinds of plug-ins everywhere on the lamps. Over here, they have a UCB. Or UCB.
USB.
USB.
How about USB? That works too. I mean, there's a charge, an outlet there. Outlets all over the room.
Yeah, there is a lot of them. Then they have your safe and the fridge. offers nice TV, coffee makers, or coffee pot for your coffee. Gotta have that. And also another charging port on the lamp here. Down there's all kinds of charging electrical stuff.
Outlets everywhere.
And then your work desk.
Yeah, work area.
This couch over here, it also pulls out to a mattress. So, you know, you can possibly have up to 4 people in here. Nice couch. Everything is super clean. Chair, everything, but this is really cool. It has a balcony. And it's not nice out here today. It's raining. It actually opens up and you can step out and get your fresh air.
Just a crappy day today.
Yeah, it is. It is not very nice.
This room was very quiet. And across the way, on the other side of those trees, is just a river. Kind of a rural route casino out here in Kansas City. Very nice.
Yeah, it was great. I loved being able to have this to get some fresh air. And, I mean, just your basic, little mini suite. And we really enjoyed it here.
Show them the lights on the bed.
Oh, yeah. You got your reading lights here there's on each side. And then down here.
Shut this light off.
Yeah, shut that light off over there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but
Yeah, it's like that.
touch this little circle here, and you get your bed lights up here. That was really neat. I liked that. Your charging station, or ports here. Overall, guys, this was a great room. We loved it. And
Any minuses? We stayed in the standard room, which we'll put some.
our first time here, we stayed in a standard room.
We'll put some side-by-side comparisons up, and this is the mini suite.
This is the mini suite, yes. I can't think of anything.
Well, the weird thing is there's no ice buckets.
Oh yeah, no ice bucket. And it was like that in our other room too.
Coffee maker, but no ice bucket.
Yeah, no ice bucket.
So we usually travel with a little Playmate cooler anyway. Minus is no ice bucket. The plus was the ice.
The ice is fantastic.
Semi-crushed, it's for
Yeah,
drinks.
it's great.
Yeah, make great drink ice. But we give them a plus on their ice, minus on no way to get it to your room other than load up your pockets if you don't bring something.
So that is our review of the mini suite at the Ameristar in Kansas City. And so if you're ever around in this area, check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.